Hello, and welcome to a short introduction to PCG's SmartFactory, where we are creating a responsive, connected manufacturing environment for NetSuite users. You're already likely using NetSuite, but now it's time to think about connecting and monitoring directly to your machines or sensors out on the shop floor. Perhaps you want to eliminate all paper and really digitize your workplace. SmartFactory enables that capability while maintaining seamless data integrity between the shop floor and NetSuite, while additionally providing an array of performance analysis tools through Suite Analytics. Core elements, the work order, the bill of material, the routing, supply planning, the cost engine are all extended by SmartFactory. Manufacturing transactions are updated in real time to keep COGS, inventory, the GL all straight as you are executing out on the shop floor. Foundational elements include interactive work instructions, label printing and scanning capability, reporting on labor, downtime, scrap, extending quality reporting, particularly when you're in a regulatory environment where compliance is critical. Everything is paperless. MES capability is readily available when you're ready for it, and the no-code platform allows you to always extend the SmartFactory capability. SmartFactory differentiators are three. It's standardized, consistent for all users, SuiteSuccess enabled, ready to use on day one. It's dynamic and can accommodate unique operational requirements within your processes. Finally, it's scalable. Whether your organization is growing in size or you want to add more SmartFactory functionality, our integration scripts continually sync your NetSuite platform with SmartFactory. Now, let's go look at the solution. Everything in SmartFactory starts at NetSuite. So today, we're going to execute work order 777. Now, let's go to our SmartFactory tablet. As I begin, SmartFactory knows what location and work center that I'm typically operating based on the check-in app. We'll start 777. I'll identify my shift, verify the date, start the run. A production overview screen always keeps me aware of the status of my operation. Work instructions provides to me the necessary SOPs or protocols to make sure that I do my job as successfully, efficiently, and accurately as possible. Material issue is designed to pick or scan. SmartFactory recognizes lot-controlled or serialized items and only requires me to account for those controlled items. If an item is non-controlled, it can be easily backflushed. Downtime is very flexible. Categories and reasons are associated with the work centers where work occurs. Material loss reporting provides me the opportunity to account for component scrap. The bill of material is presented as well as various reasons that I may lose product at a particular operation. Labor reporting is also flexible. I may be able to capture my labor from my user login, or in a scenario where I have a crew, account for that crew very easily with options for both regular and overtime hours, because behind the scenes, SmartFactory is accounting for the approximate actual labor cost for the operation that I'm reporting. If need be, production notes allow me to augment anything that I've reported through the downtime or scrap screens. What we call the operational history record extends the reporting capability for any given routing step. while you may have one routing step, you may have a variety of tasks or stations that support that step that requires operational reporting for continuous improvement or potentially compliance reasons. The flexibility of SmartFactory allows you to create the right mechanisms to record any data relevant to make that operation better. It could be manually entered or possibly through machine-to-machine integration picked up directly from equipment. Production reporting makes it easy to account for what I've produced, and if serialized, report those individual serialized items. Before I end my production run, I have an opportunity to review everything that I've reported against this product run to make sure that I have good data integrity going back to NetSuite. If need be, I can edit any one of the entries I've made. Again, with a lot numbered item, simply account for the lot number, the expiry date. Note that I have completed this operation and send the information to NetSuite. Going back to NetSuite, I see that work order 777 is now completed. If I check out the work order, refresh it, the work order itself reflects what I've built, what was used in that build to include the backflushed items, and related records accounts for the work order completion that updates all of the additional records in NetSuite, as well as provides the GL impact that I would expect. All powered by what I've done on the shop floor with SmartFactory. Out of the box, SmartFactory comes with a series of suite analytics built right into NetSuite, all designed to assess various elements of performance. Operating reports are a combination of pivot tables and graphics to look at a variety of metrics, whether in a report style fashion or through a combination of various graphs. The same holds true with downtime, where you see traditional Paretos, labor, and scrap are very similar in nature, always giving you multiple ways and different perspectives from which to assess your operation. Now let's go back to SmartFactory to quickly show what we mean by dynamic and adaptable. We talked about check-in, where SmartFactory remembers a user's location and work center, takes them immediately there upon entry, unless they designate they've moved to a different location or work center. The demonstration that I showed you quickly was the simplest, easiest way to get started with SmartFactory in a manual mode. For more sophisticated customers ready to take advantage of MES and IoT, machine monitoring allows that machine-to-machine connectivity and the opportunity to monitor the process in a variety of different ways through SmartFactory that ultimately drives reporting in NetSuite. Frequently, line setup is used in combination with machine monitoring, where not only are we evaluating and monitoring the current work order, we're setting the table for the work order that's coming next, as well as ensuring that any of the automated dispensing or material distribution systems are coordinated with SmartFactory to ultimately report materials accurately back to NetSuite. We showed a little bit what the OHR, the operational history record, does. Electronic batch records work in a similar fashion, where we're monitoring and keeping track of each individual batch that's produced, as well as all of the other relevant information similar to that OHR that might be required for regulatory purposes. For customers that actually do kitting to support their batching requirements, SmartFactory offers a kitting app to coordinate those materials ultimately consumed by an individual batch. Thank you for watching today's orientation to SmartFactory. I hope you have an appreciation that it brings a lot to the table to extend your NetSuite manufacturing platform. To learn more, check out smartfactory.com. We look forward to talking to you in the near future and helping you optimize your NetSuite business system.